Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to share this awesome Bluetooth speaker, but also wireless charger combo and light and all the cool things. So this is from Swarmir, and it is the A21 model. It's really cool. So I love how small it is and easy to use. It only has 4 buttons, so it's very, very simple. You hold the play button on the left in order to activate Bluetooth mode. You connect it to your phone. Then you can play whatever songs or podcasts or whatever you want through the speaker. On the other side is the lights. So there's a lot of solid lights that you can cycle through, or you can have it fade through all the colors like I have now. It also syncs to your music, so that's really cool to see it pulsing along with the beat. Very awesome little speaker. There's a simple plus and minus button. So that of course is to turn up the volume, but if you hold it, it will also skip through your songs. One of our favorite parts is that it's a wireless charger, so you don't have to fumble with cords. You can just place your phone here at night to charge. Here's what it sounds like. So as you can see, perfect for your bedroom. I think this is awesome for a teen. If you're looking for a gift for your teenager, this would be a really, really fun thing to get them. So if you want something that's going to add some color to your life and also be a charger and a speaker, all the cool things, you're going to love this. And that's my point of view.